My wife requested gluten-free bagels, so I'm going to Tahoe Bagel Company, which opened about 2 minutes ago, so they're about 5 minutes away. So let's go do that. Thank you so much. My wife's super sensitive, so I appreciate it. Ah. So the guys at Tahoe Bagel Co. Were amazing. I talked to them about not cross-contaminating because of gluten-free, because my wife has celiac disease, and let me tell you, they pulled out all the stops. Changed their gloves, brand new knife. They made sure nothing touched anything, brand new cream cheese from the back, everything perfect for people who have gluten-free issues. I mean, celiac disease is no joke. I was totally not a believer until my wife got diagnosed and we figured out what all her health problems were linked to. It is such a blessing to find a place that actually understands about cross-contamination with gluten, because most people think, oh, it's gluten-free, it's fine. No, it's not. Let me tell you, it is not. My wife is so sensitive that if anything, like just the flour in the air can make her sick. It sounds ridiculous and it sounds fake, and it's not. I swear to you, it is not fake. Gluten is a big deal for people who have celiac disease. We're talking like, you can't use the same cutting board, you can't use the same knife. I mean, it's like a peanut allergy. Like, it's that bad. I just wish that everyone understood that it was that serious, because my wife will be sick for a week. So that was really great. Sometimes we go in and we talk to the people and they kind of like don't understand, and then you're kind of like, all right, I guess we're going somewhere else, because it's not like it's not fun to have to educate people about that, because most people think you're crazy, which you're not. It's actually a real autoimmune issue. Really, really cool. Tahoe Bagel Co. Go there if you have celiac disease or if you're gluten sensitive. Really cool place. Very nice. They were great. I didn't really film a whole lot in there because I didn't ask for permission. A+. Now, granted, the bagels are just plain bagels. That's all you get. But you know what I mean? It's better than nothing, especially when you're traveling. Oh. All right, Lisa, the whole world wants to know. How's your gluten-free bagels? Oh, well, try your bagel.
I'm gonna put them outside so we can. Do you want to leave it out?
All right, someone is thoroughly enjoying his breakfast, getting a little gluten-free bagel, getting a little cream cheese. We're just a happy camper. Are you cold? Oh. Well, you gotta stay out here because I gotta go put everything away because we're getting out of here.
Dylan, stop it!
How's your bagel?
Stop it!
Is your good bagel good? His bagel looks good. Look at that messy man. Oh, you don't. Gosh, you guys aren't morning people anymore.
Ow.